everybody! I'm here today to show you how to use a Braun ear thermometer. This will be a very simple and straightforward tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I actually have a Braun ear thermometer, and I just turned it on by accident, so I'm going to take a second to turn it off, just like this. So it's actually really easy to use, okay? Very simply, there is a button right here that you can use to turn it on and off. It is labeled as the power button. Very simple and straightforward. And there's also a temperature button right here that you can use to take the temperature. I'll show you how to do that in a moment, but there are these caps that go on the Braun ear thermometer. This is actually a thermoscan version of the thermometer, but they're all very similar. There's many thermoscan models. They're very, very similar and easy to use, okay? If you want to remove that cap, you push this little lever right here. Check this out. I'm going to hold it though so it doesn't fly off, because, you know, sometimes you push it and your hand's out there and it just flies off. So I'm going to hold my hand there, okay? And it just simply pushes it off like that. When you want to put your earpiece back on, which, you know, obviously you should change these whenever you're using it, okay? When you want to, and this is a fresh one, that's why I'm just going to use it, and I'm only going to use it on myself, so I'm in the clear. When you want to put it back on, you push it back down, and as you can see, it's stuck in place. So very simple and easy to use. You push the button to turn it on, just as you can see right there, okay? It shows the last temperature right there. I put it in my ear, make sure it's nice and fully in the ear, push the button, this button right here. When you hear the beep, you can check the temperature, 36.6 degrees Celsius. I'm good, I'm in the clear. You want to use it again? Once again, like I said, change the cap if you need to. Put it in the ear like this. Make sure it's nice and fully inserted. Don't apply pressure. No pressure. Just get the thermometer, the ear thermometer, and watch what I'm doing. I'm putting it in my ear like that. That's it. No pressure, no pain, no discomfort, nothing. It's just in the ear. Push the button. You'll hear the beep. And it reads that quickly, okay? 36.7 degrees Celsius. It's probably because I'm pumped up from making this video. I'm so excited. That's why my temperature went up. Okay, when you're ready to turn it off, you push and hold down the power button for a few seconds, okay? And it turns off, as you can see right there. Once again, power button turns it on. Okay, as you can see, it displays the last red temperature. Put it in your ear, a decent amount. Push the button, let it read. Okay, when you hear the beep, you take it out, check the temperature, 36.6 degrees Celsius. I'm back down again. Anyways, there's a lot of margin when you read anyways, but when you're ready to turn it off, you press and hold the button down for a few seconds, and it says off, and then it turns off. It's that simple, okay? The power button turns it on and off. This reads the temperature. This releases the piece, and then you push the piece back in place like that. That's it. It's that simple. That is how to use a Braun ear thermometer. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.